Hello guys, namaste, welcome back to AndroTrix. I always wanted a RGB mechanical keyboard for my desk, but the price was always an issue for me. But recently I came across this MotoSpeed CK104 keyboard on Gearbest.com and it was under $50, so without any hesitation I got it for me. And I am in love with this keyboard, so let's talk about it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this you crazy mother.
Starting off with the quality of the keyboard, it has aluminium brushed panel at the front and a plastic at the back side of the keyboard. It also has these feet to raise the keyboard if you want, but I never felt the need of those in my usage. Typing on this keyboard is really satisfying, although it does not come along with any wrist rest, but it's decent. It has multimedia function key combinations which you can use to play, pause, backward or forward a song, or you can also control the brightness and sound via these keys. The keys used in this keyboard are blue switches, which are the knockoffs of Cherry MX, but they are very popular among the low budget mechanical keyboard, and here's how they sound. Now coming to the thing which I love the most about this keyboard, that is the LED keys. Now this keyboard supports more than 10 different LED styles and here are all of them.
This is a Juki Beat production.
So yeah, overall this keyboard has a great build quality along with tons of LED option, and coming in at just below $50, this is surely a bang for the buck you pay. So that's pretty much. I would love to thank Gearbest.com for sending me this keyboard. You can check the link in the description box below if you want to grab one for yourself. Also, I would like to mention that Gearbest.com is celebrating 3-year anniversary, which has a lot of activities from which you can get the products for free. They're also running flash sales, so make sure you grab them up before they go out of stock. The activities start from 9th of March, so make sure you mark the date. Anyway, that's pretty much for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button so that you get notified for all my latest updates. See you guys in the next one.